Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today is time for our mid-month check-in for November's Year of the Make-Along, now Make-Along thing. So this month's theme is donations and gifts. So the write-up was, let's limit how many things we're struggling to finish on Christmas Eve night, get rolling on some gifts. Also, this is the time of year when many organizations are in need of hats, scarves, shawls, and lapgans. I don't give a lot of handmade gifts personally, except for this year. But I do have small gifts on hand in case we get invited to a lunch or a friend stops by unexpectedly. There's so many reasons we can give for making items that are donatable or giftable. So I am filming this very early. I'm like 2 weeks in advance. So I am working on Project Christmas Blanket, and I will insert pictures of where I am on projects. I do know I have 4 blankets that I am currently working on as of filming this. I have not started the 5th one yet. So I think I am focusing. My plan is, as of filming this, to focus on 3 blankets. I might have a 4th or 5th pop up. I don't know. You guys know more than I do right now. But that is what I am working on for November. And these are all gifts that are for my stepchildren and for their families. So I would like to get these done sooner rather than later. As I keep saying, as we get closer and closer, I'm not panicking, you're panicking. Yeah, that's not me having a manic meltdown. Not me. Yeah, so that is what I have worked on. I am hoping that you guys have submitted some wonderful goodies. You have not failed me a single month this year, so I am sure that you guys have started some wonderful projects too. So let's get on to see what you guys have been making. Okie dokie artichoke. So you guys, thank you so much for playing along with me. This has been a wonderful help to keep me accountable, and I love seeing what you guys are working on. It's always so much more fun for me to see what you're working on than I feel like sharing what I'm working on is. I get so excited and inspired by your plans. Also, as I said at the introduction, if you have some ideas of projects that would be great, some organizations to donate to, who are you donating to? Who are you making gifts for? Leave those down below in the comments section. My community is wonderful at reading comments and replying and responding to each other and helping each other out. So if you do have an organization in particular that you think deserves to receive donations, let us know, share, because we're always looking for places to donate around here. So I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you all real soon. Bye, you guys.